So we live on the top floor of a 4-unit building. I moved in 7 years ago, and it was probably a few months in when I started seeing water coming in above the ceiling, around the stairwell, around windowsills. I was very frustrated over the years not finding something to solve the water problems. Other contractors I've worked with, they really just wanted to put spackling on or caulk on or do some sealing, and never really wanted to get to what the real problem was. And the other problem was the water wasn't constantly coming in every time it rains. So you never really knew if the problem was solved until 3 months, 6 months, 9 months, and then all of a sudden the water started coming back again. So I finally got to a point where I just couldn't handle these short-term fixes anymore. I contacted Bob. I just Googled split-face block problems in Chicago and read what he had to say on his website. Then ended up speaking with him. Definitely liked what he had to say and spoke with some of his former customers, and they were very pleased as well. My experience working with WickRight has been fantastic. Bob truly shows that he cares about trying to find real solutions to water problems that people have here in Chicago. Bob was focused on not just finding the root of the problem, but making sure I understood what he was doing and understood the reason for the problem. So WickRight has been here twice. They came for a major project last year and then for another project this year. The first project last year solved about half of the water leaking problems that we've had. There were areas that we had consistent water coming in, and those have not been seen at all since the first project was completed. Now, Bob certainly wasn't convinced that that first project was going to solve everything. He understood that we needed time to figure out what the problems were. So it took till the next year, and we seem to have pinpointed where the issues are. It's been a fantastic experience so far. He really does care about his customers.